Hey everyone, welcome back to our Salezly tutorial series. Today, we're going to dive into the customization of general settings in Salezly. So, let's get started. First, let's access the General Settings page in Salezly. To do this, log into your account and navigate to the Setup tab. From there, click on General Settings and you'll be taken to the General Settings page. Once you're on the General Settings page, you can customize your user information by filling in your company name, tagline, email address, phone number, address, prefixes, default currency, copyright text, logo, favicon, and other relevant details. This information will be displayed throughout the Salezly platform, so it's important to make sure it's accurate and up to date. Once you've made all the changes you want, be sure to click on the Save button at the bottom of the settings page. This will save all your customization preferences and apply them to your Salezly account. And there you have it. By setting up the general settings for your Salezly account, you can create a personalized experience that works best for you. So go ahead and give it a try.